Having learned a little bit about Micrometa app and about the structure of this tutorial, it is now time to get started. When you click on the link provided in the introductory slides and in the description below, you will open this Protocol I/O page. Here, under the Materials tab, you will find detailed information about how to get ready for this tutorial. Then, when you open the table of content under the Steps tab, you will be able to access detailed instructions about each of the sections of the tutorial. The first thing we will do is we will learn how to download and install the Micrometa app.
When you click on this link, you will find yourself on this GitHub page in which the latest versions of the Micrometa app are available for download. At the bottom of the page, you will find the different zip files, 2 for Windows and 1 for Mac. In order to download and install the Windows version of the Micrometa app, it is quite self-explanatory. On the other hand, in the case of macOS, it is a little bit more involved because of security provisions that Apple has instituted when one downloads applications from the internet. So in order to get you going, I will explain that part in details. If you plan to use Micrometa app on Windows, you can skip the rest of this video. So in order to download Micrometa app for Mac, you can follow along with me now, but you can also get more information from the download page here. In particular, this video will explain again everything that I'm doing with you right now. So the first thing you do is you right-click on the zip file and select Download Linked File As. After that, you will save the zip file in a specific location on your computer. In this case, I have created a folder and called it Micrometa App Tutorial. Because I already have the zip file downloaded here, I'm not going to launch the download this time around. Instead, all I need to do is just open the zip file. So to do that, I will right-click on the zip file and select Open With. I recommend to use the specific Unarchiver app, which you can download using the link that is provided on the Google Doc and also on the download page, and which for some reason works better than a native Unarchiver tool that is provided with macOS. Once the app has been unzipped, the next thing you have to do is again right-click on the icon and click Open. The first time around, unfortunately, what will happen is that the system will give you an error and you will have to hit Cancel. After that, the second time you'll do the same thing again, it will give you again an error. But now it will kind of start thinking, okay, maybe you want to actually open it. So then, when you click Open, this time around, it will actually launch the app. The good news is that after this quite laborious first time, whenever you will launch Micrometa app in the future, you will be able to just double click on the icon and you should be set to go.